Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Deathrow Gaming here. I actually just moved into a new place. I'm growing out the beard. Very nice. I know, it's coming out very well, actually. So, good news is that my PC parts are going to be in by tomorrow or Friday. Some of them will be in by Friday, some will be tomorrow. I also ordered a new office chair. All that added up to about $2,034. Yeah, not cheap. But, got a new room. It's a lot bigger than my last one, so I'll have enough room to move my desk around, or move my chair around, and actually have more places to sit. Honestly, if I wanted to, I can flip my camera around. I know my room's a mess because I still got boxes I gotta unpack, but I honestly could fit like a small little love seat right here in this little area right here. The chair's gonna sit over here with a desk, everything. Here's the tower that I'm going to work with. Hang on, some move things around here. So, and I'm going to take this cover off. Bring a little more light in here. Okay. So that's the case. This is really dark actually, and there may be times I may change this out so you can see like the lights and stuff that'll be back there, because there could be lights up here in the top. I mean, this thing's gonna be monstrous. For a computer. I'll actually go ahead and we'll open it up and I'll show you the inside, so let's go ahead and do that. So I actually got this. Ooh, shit, how tight did I screw these fuckers on? Okay, there we go. I actually got this case for about 70 bucks for Christmas and everything. Oh my god, so many screws have tightened a lot, like they've suctioned themselves on. I'm just gonna open up the front panel though, because the back panel will be it's just cable management stuff. So, on my flashlight, I cannot, sadly. Go ahead and set this down here. So, right here I have 2 hard drive bays I can use. I have 2 more under this where the power supply sits. These covers are real easy, that like they come off very easy. But yeah, so here's the thing that I'm having a problem with, because a 3-fan graphics card sticks out to about here. I will have plenty of clearance for the fans and all that, but it takes up a big portion of my case. I just have to put the motherboard in, 6 RAM sticks, my water cooler. I can remove these. These can honestly just come straight out if I wanted to take these out. I may do that. I may take these out. I have 2 hard drive bays and I have SSD bays on the back. The cool thing, I'm just gonna move this real fast, is that this front panel right here actually opens up. I don't know why these are here, because these don't. Well, these ones come off. It's the metal ones on the inside that do not. And that kind of concerns me because I don't know what to do with them. So, I have a power button that is it's a blue LED. I wish it was green. I'm going to find a way to change it out. Headphone and mic jack. I have 2 3.1 USB ports and 2 3.0 USB ports, and a reset button, which is actually cool because you do not see many towers with reset buttons on them that much. And the thing is, this looks like a full. It's actually a mid. This is a mid tower. Now, next thing is I got a bigger TV that we'll be using for my monitor. So recording is going to be a little bit hard for me. I'm going to have to definitely set some keybinds for that. And then the new controller we will be using is the Xbox One Elite controller. I have not had any problems with this actually. I've actually quite liked it. From what I've heard is that this controller is being discontinued as of recently. This was actually the last one at the GameStop in town. I put about 170 bucks on this. This was actually pre-owned and is in perfect condition. It does not need to be refurbished or anything. It's pre-owned, returned, in perfect condition. And I've been taking very well care of it. So, actually, I just think it's just the way the bumpers are set up. But I mean, joysticks do come off. Actually, just like little magnetized ones. Let me grab the case. And here's the case I have for it that came with my pre-owned stuff. I have a mic sitting in here. I can change out my little pegs to the default ones that they came with. Like so. Now, each one of the pegs that it came with, as you can see as I grab them out, each have a different length cylinder. So that one that's the largest length. This one is the mid-length. That's what I just had on there, and these are just the standard. And then you have the new D-pad, which is actually also magnetic. As you can see, it's all just kind of like that. You can actually push over caddy corner. Like if I were to click up in this corner, it would actually work. So this is kind of hard to get out. That's why I'm not taking it out, but these are easy to pull out. So let me pull these out real fast. I'm gonna show you. Man, I now know how freaking filmers feel having to hold a camera and stuff while doing this. Most people actually use GoPros. My uncle has one, but I can't really ask him to use it because he's like 7 hours away from me. So I'm going to go ahead and shut off my controller. Go ahead and do that. Go ahead and flip it over. And you see, there's little slots back here. There's one here, one here, one here, one here. These are actually how stiff your joysticks are, so I can like stiffen this where it doesn't press down all the way, or I can have it where it's pressed down all the way. Anyways, so you have two different types. You have your long and your short buttons. Short buttons, actually, I prefer to have mine like that, or sit on top and everything. And then I prefer to have these ones to where they angle downwards. Oh, yes, so I prefer to have mine like this. Those ones are kind of angled up, and then have that one set like that. So when you grab it, your hand is actually gripping it like so on the back side, where your middle and index finger just kind of sit on there. You see, very easy to press. So I'll show you how well this thing is. So I can actually dim the brightness to this if I wanted. So like, you can't see it unless I kind of zoom in. Yeah, that would be me pressing the back buttons a lot. So let's go ahead and we're gonna hop on this. Yeah, I can zoom in. So you're gonna want to go to your apps. Ooh, I have a little bit of a problem trying to get used to using them. And you want to go to Xbox accessories, and you can adjust the controller to how you want. Now that's really cool. So when my parts do come in, I will be making a video for that on building my tower from like a first-person perspective. I'm gonna somehow like mount it to like my chest or my forehead or something, and record that way. I mean, this controller though is amazing. We'll actually be using this controller on that. It's gonna be real cool. I do plan on ordering a mic and everything for about $37. It's actually really cheap. It comes with a mic stand and everything, but it's a good mic. Everything. I honestly love this controller though. I do not know if this controller is Bluetooth. Now, if this controller is Bluetooth, then I can actually find this on a computer. I have not tested that out yet. I'm gonna go test it on my mom's laptop here in a little bit. I will actually sync this up to my thing because I'm using Windows 10 Pro on here to where it encrypts my hard drive, so nothing can fuck around with it. So yeah, I mean, I love this. It's real great. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and everything. Hope you guys are doing great, especially my friends back in Texas. Love you guys. Wish me luck. Hopefully I will be homeschooled so I don't have to deal with people. If if I do go to the new school, I will be doing powerlifting and stuff. They actually, my school that is here in Crestview is actually offers a lot more club opportunities and everything. So anyways, thank you guys for watching and everything. Hope you guys enjoy watching me talk about all this and everything. So this is just basically a quick update. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time. Peace.